When it comes to doing something in terms of sustainability, that's a really good question too, because I spent 10 years searching for something that I could do that would have a positive impact on the planet, and I couldn't find it until I started urban farming and found out how impactful this is. So what I'd recommend is basically just ask yourself, what do you like doing that could be connected to a sustainable practice? Like, for example, does recycling make you feel good? Are you really into it? Because if you find something that you're passionate about, you won't have any motivational problems. That's what I've personally found with urban farming. I don't just do this as a business. I grow food at home, and I grow food at a local community garden that I'm renting a plot at. So I teach people how to grow food as part of my business, and I also do it as a hobby because I love it. Personally, I love it. I get so much satisfaction out of it, which means that I never wake up thinking, I have to go to my garden again? Do I have to go to a school to teach again? No, I love it. Every day is good fun. So it's a good idea, I think, to think, what do I like doing? You could maybe connect a hobby that you like to some kind of sustainability strategy or activity, because once you're motivated, it'll be easy.